heading to Home Depot to go find some marine grade plywood so we can repair a broken floorboard on a boat. Come on with me. I got to build a floorboard that collapsed in a boat, so it's like 4x4.
Sounding like they're not having the marine grade plywood here at Home Depot.
Okay. Okay, no problem there. Thanks. That's where we need to be.
It's behind those stacks?
Yep.
Okay. Should we find out when they're going to move it?
I can't even find anybody in the whole lumber department.
Okay. It's Home Depot, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, so as you can see, this is what we need. 1/4 inch marine grade plywood, but it is buried behind a bunch of pallets of sheetrock, and I am not going to wait for them to move that to get it. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll see you then. Good morning. Heading to a boat to check out a couple things. Got some air conditioning issues. Have a plumbing leak on the hot water tank that we need to check and make sure that we did get it fixed. And what else? The autopilot has to be replaced, so I have to spec that out and get all the information. And we have to look at a floorboard that's broken that we have to replace.
I was just out here wanting to check and see how we were doing on our project, and it looks like he might have had to go and get some supplies, so I'll have to check back with him shortly. Here's our original hatch, and why we had to replace it. It started cracking there, and then down here it was also cracking, so it was causing them problems whenever they would step on the hatch.
I just want to share with you a little bit of our background story and how we came to be where we're at and what we're doing. The most important thing, my wife Carrie Ann. We met 30 years ago back when we were both in the Navy, and we dated for about 5 or 6 months and got married, and like I said, here we are 30 years later, still going strong. It's not always a bed of roses. Sometimes you get the thorns. For the most part, we get it done, and it's pretty good. I don't have very many complaints. Hey, hi Elena. How are you?
Good. How's everything?
Great. I'm going to take a iced tea, please.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah, I did a drone. I was going to do a drone flight this morning, and then we decided to come see your place. So I decided to play hooky for a few minutes. I just grabbed an iced tea, was over at the Galleon working on a boat, and my buddy's opened up his new tea and coffee shop here, so I decided to run over and check it out. And like I said, get a refreshing drink on a hot day. Wow! All right, back to work.
We're brushing on a coat of epoxy to help this wood last for a long time. This hatch does go underneath a carpet, so it's not like it's getting wet, but it should be good to go.
So you guys may remember we had a boat that had a broken floorboard and numerous other projects. Well, I got this floorboard built, and it took a little bit. We got it. And this little guy too. We had to build that because it was broken. So we're gonna go drop these in and check a couple other things that we worked on. All right, let's go open this up and pop this floorboard. Oh boy, it feels good in here. So obviously you can see where this goes. Now for the test. Yeah, that's plenty sturdy. Also, we're going to be taking that boat over to the boatyard, and we are going to strip off the old teak deck. That should be a lot of fun. Get that all stripped off of there, and then we have some leaks that occurred underneath the teak in the deck, so we're going to have to grind those out and lay some new glass down and get those leaks taken care of. Then once we get everything cleaned up and repaired, then we're going to bring the boat back to his slip, and then we're going to have the new teak guys come and put in, it's called NUTEAK, new teak. It's a composite material, and it's a little soft, and they're going to put in a whole new back deck. And once we get that done, hopefully, and we changed the impellers and belts because we could not find in the last 1,000-hour service where they ordered the parts and they did not list them on any invoice write-up saying that they changed them. So we went ahead and changed those also. So hopefully we get this last little bit finished up, and then these people can finally start enjoying their boat, because it's been a struggle. Anyways, as always, if you could, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. You guys know the deal. It's YouTube. I appreciate it. Everybody have a good day.